In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited WhatsApp accounts without providing your original phone number for absolutely free. The method is very simple, but do watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. First of all, open your WhatsApp, click on agree and continue. Now it's asking you to verify your phone number. So in order to get a fake phone number, you need to open your internet browser, and in the search bar you need to type temp SMS, TEMPSMSS. Scroll down and click on this link right here. Now scroll down and here you will see some country flags. These are the countries of which you can use phone number. So select the country of which you want to get the number and click on this receive SMS option. Now right next to the phone number, you will see this copy phone number option. So click on it. Once the phone number is copied, go back to WhatsApp and paste the phone number here. But first enter the country code. For Sweden, it's 46. After that, paste the phone number and then click on next. Click on OK. Now a verification code will be sent to the phone number. So in order to get that, you need to go back to your internet browser, scroll down and click on this refresh to view latest SMS option. Again scroll down and here you will receive the OTP code, and once the code is received, all you have to do is to copy it and then paste it on WhatsApp. And once you have done that, your account will be created without providing your original phone number. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.